Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the new functionality of being able to import in or even link a PDF into Excel. So as an example here we have a PDF which just happens to be an invoice with a grid view of some items in here, and we're going to bring that into Excel. Here we are in Excel. I just need to come into Data, Get Data from File and PDF, and then open up the PDF. So anything sort of in a table form we can open up here. The connection is made through. It interprets what it can as tables. So there we see we have table 4. It's pulled out the VT details. Table 2 is pulled out some of the other details, but it's actually table 3 that I want here. So I have a choice here, like it's using Power Query. I can transform data. I can bring that into Power Query and then manipulate the data, connect it to other tables as well if I want to, or just load directly into the sheet. And there we go, the data is now loaded in, and I notice I still retain the link to the PDF, so I could still continue to do that. So if a new PDF is put into sort of that place, I can continue to link through, but more than likely you won't need to retain the link, so we can just delete the link out and delete our subtotals out if we don't want that. And there we go, we have our data in Excel.